DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Obaseki, as a governor in Edo State, is searching for prisoners where he run, including palliatives. They want to acquire how? Hello, those are foods. The dangerous people will enter streets now. Edo State. Now God, I go save us because police where you call safe, ain't go see the worship back. You know people will come out. I know say some where they don't condemn. Those ones they don't find their way. But you know, go tell me, say dangerous one. Worry prison, they say release them. So see branch. You see branch? Obaseki is looking for prisoners. Government, federal government is looking for the killers. Likewise, the Lagos State is looking for the killers. Abi? Who you they look for? Who me and you they call define? Everybody they find something. Everybody's looking for something. They are looking for palliative vandalizers. They are looking for the people that break the prison, including the prisoners. They are looking for soldiers in Lekki that killed. They want to investigate. Who me and you they look for? We suppose they look for the way forward onto the next agenda for the protest in a peaceful way that we always do. Everybody's looking for something and we're just here busy insulting ourselves, coming on social media, do what we... Me, I be jollification master. The guy where I go from tomorrow self, I go dance. Because the Benin say, we go na head with their life, now they make money. And I head we see tomorrow, and I get life to tell also. Now besides I sit down for us, I still came out. God saved my life. Protest is good. Allowed, no doubt. But when it's a problem, not just a problem, a big problem. The youth are still the problems. Yes, the two set of youth that we have. Yes, two set of youth. The nation builder and the nation burners.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars View, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DGM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.dgmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.